Hello students. So today the same lesson we're going to see the Reformation actually. Okay. Last class finally we seen what is it? Effects of Renaissance. Today we're going to see about the Reformation actually. How the Reformation was started, because of why it's all happened, everything. Okay. Yes. So first one, Reformation. Actually, the Roman Catholic Church, powerful in Middle Ages, Roman, Italic, Greek, and every maximum of the European countries controlled by the Catholic Church. Actually, Church only controlled everything, peoples or maybe administration, whatever it may be. Now, what are the governments they are doing? That all the things done by the Catholic Church, they only having all the powers. Okay, so because of that, what happened means, who all the fathers, who all the higher authorities will be there. No, that peoples are enjoyed the spiritual powers actually and luxurious life actually, especially Pope. Pope, I think so. Who is that? Christianity, Christians head actually. He is head of the Christianity all over the world. So he and his assistants or maybe higher officials, whoever maybe, they all enjoyed their luxurious life actually. That's only the Pope. He hits lived a luxurious life. Okay, most of the officials are corrupted. Okay, the peoples are asked to participate in the mass. Okay, and the peoples are asked to, what is that? Hmm, the church made the people believe that they would suffer in a purgatory because of the sins actually. What is that? They make the people to believe if they done the bad things, you will be punished in the hell. Purgatory means what is that? Suffer in a purgatory. What is that? Bad things. It will be what is that? You will be put in the hell. So this concepts all what is that? Uh, Given to the people, and they asked to believe that actually, they asked to believe that means they made that to believe that actually. And if you want to reduce that particular what is it, suffers and everything in the hell means, you want to what is that, the people were further told that if they represent their sins and did penance, they would be absolved from the sins. What is that? In church all they will give the forgive actually. That one method is there in church nowadays also is there. That methods if you got means, you will be what is it, protect from the hell. These are all the beliefs given to the people. So for that, by getting the money also, they given the, what is that, the forgiveness and everything. This all happen in the church actually. That's only the church given the begun to grand paradigm known as a sale of indulgence. Indulgence means what? Payment to the Catholic Church. They want to pay the money for the church actually. These are all earning money through their luxurious life. And the people are asked to believe that, what is that, if you want to reduce all your bad things which are all you done, you want to attend the mass, then you can easily reduce their what is that, propagatory, everything. Okay, the church made the people believe that they would suffer in a purgatory because of their sins. Sins means what? Bad things. And they will, before the bad things, they will be punished in the hell actually. So that all you want to reduce means, you want to get the forgiveness from the church. Okay, and you want to participate in the mass. Sunday every Christians people, they're all going for church, no? So that's the concept. These all happen on olden days, not nowadays. I'm not telling. In olden days it started in this way. Okay, yes. So these are all the things happen in the Catholic Church. But this all changes after certain Reformation. In that very important person, who is that means? Martin Luther. Okay, so Martin Luther, a monk actually, he is one of the monk, a saint actually. He is one of the theology professor in one of the university. What is the university name? Means Wittenberg. Is one of the professor in a university, Wittenberg. One time he visited the Rome actually. He was shocked because why means, the peoples who are all working in the Catholic Church and who are the Pope and everyone, they are enjoying the luxurious life, but normal people, they are facing so much of the problem in the day by day life. By seeing that, he was shocked actually. So Martin Luther, after what is it, confirmed this all the things, he written a pamphlet and against the corruptions of the church actually, against the corruptions of the church, and start to paste on the church door. And what is that, that on church door alone, but after one day it was printed and spread to all over the places. But in the church, he listed, no, that only 95 theses. That 95 thesis, 95 points, what is that means? That the points given, no, that all the corruptions of the church. So he tried to spread this, all the points to the people. Okay, so because of this, what happened means the Pope Leo X, what does it mean? He is the head of the Christianity. He Pape Bull, actually. What is it? Pape Bull means the Martin Luther was, what is that? Excommunicated from the Christianity community. Excommunicated from the Christianity community. That's it was done by Pope Leo X. But after that, he was asked to what is it? Come to court actually for inquiring that about that 95 points. But he was protected by his some of the friends, Patton and Frederick and Saxony. Some other person worked in that court itself, and some of the friends also is that because of them he was protected. Otherwise, he will be condemned to death actually, but he was protected. But after, what happened means he translated the Bible into German, and he rejected the belief that ceremonies and penance would lead to the salvation. What is that? For getting the salvation from the God, the ceremonies and what is that? Participating in the mass, this all will not be help actually. This belief is given to the people by the Martin Luther, and he give a written so much of the books also. Justification by the faith actually. Believeness should be there on you, not on the some other thing actually. This book was written by Martin Luther. Justification by the faith actually. Okay, so what he argued means that by the faith alone, that one could not attain the salvation. Faith alone, we want to try towards that. Okay, we want to make good of us itself. Then only we can see the God, and we can get the power from the God actually. These are all the things given by the Martin Luther. He rejected the belief that ceremonies and penance would lead to the salvation. He argued that by the faith alone that one could attain the salvation. We want to believe ourselves. That alone will be get the solution. Okay, yes. These are based on this, so much of the messages he given in the justification by the path. Okay, yes. The next one, other Protestant Reformation. So now only Martin Luther alone done this problem, and all means no. Some other also they started their protest against this Reformation. Who are all that means? By following the Martin Luther, Huldrych Zwingli and John Calvin, these two members followed the Martin Luther protesting against the church actually. Like Luther, they were also unhappy with the functioning of the church actually. They are also not happy with the way of with the functioning way of church actually. And what is that? Questioned the sale of intelligence and the ecclesiastical offices. Ecclesiastical office means what? The jobs will be there, no, in the church, official's job or maybe whatever it may be job. It's all they are selling that actually by the money. If you given this particular amount means you can join in that job. So this all was against by these two members. Okay, so Huldrych Zwingli worked from a Zurich and was against all forms of ritual. So rituals, what is that? Participating in the ceremony, participating in the mass, they are all against by these people. And Calvin written a book actually John Calvin, to oppose all forms of display of the wealth. Calvin codified his views in his book Institutes of the Christian Religion. He against all the things, and he written the book also. What is the book name means? Institutes of the Christian Religion. Okay, and he also controlled the Geneva for certain days actually. Okay. These are all by the Zwingli and the John Calvin. Okay. Other than that, some other information also will be there. What does it means? Henry VIII, one of the king of the England. That information in your slide is not there, but in book is available. I will explain that. What does it mean? Henry VIII is one of the king of the England. Actually, he waiting for the son actually. He got the daughter only, but he need the son actually for succeeded his throne actually. So for that, what he planned means Henry wanted to marry again, and therefore appealed to the Pope to annul his marriage with the Catherine. Catherine is already his wife. He planned to divorce her, and he planned to marry some other girl to getting a one boy baby, one boy. Okay, for his succeeded his throne. This what is that? The request was accepted by the what is that? Some other higher officials, and they recommended to the Pope actually to agree this request, but the Pope are not ready to accept this. He avoided these opportunities to giving a decisions of that particular require. But finally, what happened means Henry VIII. He what is that? He grew the impatient and broke his ties with the Rome. What are the ties was happened between the England and the Rome? That all the ties was broken by Henry VIII and came separately and started the separate community of the Christianity. That like that what is that? Like that one of the community was created. That's only Anglican. What is it? Anglican Church actually. He can confiscate the properties of the Catholic Church and monasteries in England. He occupied all the Catholic Church and monasteries in England and declared himself as a supreme head of the Anglican Church. So, like that, Anglican Church history also is there. Just once, just information alone, you can get it. Okay. So, this also happened at the time of Reformation. Okay. Next one, Counter Reformation. Okay, this all is happened. So surely at one particular time the changes want to come. No, anyway, one time if the bad thing is happened means next day it will be become as in a good. In that way only we want to thought. So based on that Counter Reformation, the Protestant Reformation posed the threat to the Catholic Church. So much of the Reformation was here and there. The problem was happening because of the Catholic Church administration was somewhat feared actually. So in order to meet the challenge of Pope Paul III and his successor introduced a number of regress. So after some days, Pope Paul III, he is the head of the Christianity, and their officials change. Most of the changes was happened. What is the changes? The corruptions was severely banned, severely, and stopped the sale of offices. That was stated actually. And the Council of Trent re-emphasized the importance of the ceremonies and the significance of the mass. And but this was happened. What is that? They given the counsel for the people. What is the importance of the mass and what is the importance of the ceremonies? Okay, by the way of Bible, and they instruct the people. The Bible want to read in the church alone. What is that? Further, it relieves the institution deal with the opposition to the church. It also gave officials sanctions of the Society of the Jesus. Jesus is one of the group actually. They are maximum they will be against for the government because the government is not doing properly to the people. So because these are the group of people against the government, they given the permission for the Jesus group for doing the reformation, doing their councils and everything. So these are all the things they done for what? To make them to protect actually. Most of the changes was they are doing. No, this was they made for protecting them from the Reformation. So this central Reformation of the Catholic Church from the within is known as the Counter Reformation. So these are all the changes. So what is there? The selling of the office was stopped. The council was given to the people. Council alone they given. One need not compelled actually. What is that? They given the council. Okay. So given the council to the people. Okay, so given the council to the people, what is the importance of the ceremonies and what is the importance of the mass actually. And next one, the Bible is there, no? The scriptures. It's only Bible actually. That thing will be explained by the church only. So we want to attend the ceremonies and the mass. These are all the changes was happen. This changes all will be called as a, what is that? Counter Reformation actually. Okay, yes. So and another one, so what is the Reformation? They given the sanction to the Society of the Jesus. They separate society. They are all against the corruptions and everything. So they given the permission to them. What are the council is or maybe some other they are doing. They given the permission actually for the Jesus. So these are all the changes will be called as a Counter Reformation. Okay. Yes. Today it's enough. Tomorrow next class you can see geographical discoveries, and because of the geographical discoveries, what are the things happen. These two topics if you see means this lesson will be over. Okay. Okay, up to this lesson, this term history lesson will be over. Next lesson will be, you can see, from geography. Okay, so on questions also he gave, discuss about the Reformation in modern ages, explain about the Martin Luther, write about the counter Reformation. Okay, so check, see the question properly and give the answers properly, send it on time. Okay, so stay safe, stay home. Thank you.